Maybe I'm dense or something, Mr. Wagner. I don't quite understand what the hell you just told me. Can't you just tell me in absolute terms, how much money do you need to survive, General Motors, from today until March 30th?
Congressman, it's going to depend on what happens with suppliers and markets.
I understand that. Give me your worst-case scenario.
The worst-case scenario, the amount of money would be significant. I mean, we have supplier
What is
payables
significant,
of $4
Mr.
or $5 billion every month.
So,
They
so
extend
what you're
45
telling us
days
that
of
since
credit.
you anticipate borrowing $15 to $18 billion under this authorization, if the market doesn't turn around and the economy doesn't recover by that time, and I think you have to be a wishful thinker to think it will, by March 30th, you're out of money. Is that correct?
The analysis that we've done is based on an assumption that the U.S. market continues at about the current rate, which is a weak level. We don't assume a lot of recovery. We hope it won't get worse. On that basis, we would, with the amount of funding that proportionally would presumably be allocated to us, we think we have a good shot to make it through next year.
The overall amount and cost of financing the restructuring would be significantly higher in a Chapter 11 process than the working capital bridge that we're requesting here today. And finally, we cannot be confident that we'll be able to successfully emerge from bankruptcy.
We at Ford are hopeful that we have enough liquidity, but we also must prepare ourselves for the prospect of further deteriorating economic conditions in 2009. In addition, the collapse of one of our competitors would have a severe impact on Ford and our transformation plan because the domestic auto industry is highly interdependent. It would also have a devastating ripple effect across the entire U.S. economy.